Hi, my name is Ashley Sumner. I'm the founder of the Supportive Social Network Quilt, and I'm looking forward to sharing my home with you today. Something that we really love about this space that no other home in Venice Beach, California has is that it was built into kind of the subterranean floor. So as you walk in, you actually step down and emerge into the house. The first thing that welcomes you is our outdoor area, where oftentimes I get to sit with my partner and have a coffee, or when my team comes together, we move all the furniture away and we get to do yoga. And we do have a front door, but I personally love using this one because it opens wide up from the outdoors, indoors. Come on in. Once you come inside, you'll notice that we use a lot of the same colors and natural elements that you saw outside. Green is not only one of my favorite colors, but it's also the color on the center of the color spectrum, which for me is really about happiness and feeling calm and feeling grounded. The couch is made of chenille, so it's really soft, and as we sit on it, we have all of these pillows and all of these blankets so that we can be cozy, whether it's in the morning or at the end of the day, talking and connecting. Even though downstairs is an open floor plan, we intentionally created the dining room space to be a place where you can sit down and have a moment together. Once you sit down, it's very intimate. This chandelier casts a light just over this table and the people that are sitting here eating together. It's made out of wood, and on the inside, it's painted gold with a wraparound LED light. It's really beautiful. And when you look down, there's this green marble table and see all of the perfectly imperfect patterns along it, and wherever you're sitting, you have a different experience. The theme of downstairs is calm, but the theme of upstairs, and specifically my office, is creativity and inspiration and passion. It's from here that I come up with different ideas for my company Quilt. There's a lot of special elements in here, starting with this table. This table is a red leather wrapped round edged table. Red is the color of passion. It's the color of creativity. So whether it's a red desk or that red chair from the 19th century or a red butterfly kind of reminding me about the power of transformation and becoming beautiful, I like using it. Welcome to my bedroom, a very romantic space, very poetic. Also has certain elements that just leave me feeling serene, like this Arabic calligraphy Rumi poem that's hanging above our beds while we sleep. My favorite items in here are our bedside tables. They are super unique, handcrafted by a local artist in LA, and they're a puzzle piece. So you can open this, you turn it over, and that is how it opens. Isn't that cool? When I wake up in the morning, after I meditate, I open up the curtains, I open up the doors, and I am greeted by this patio, which is overlooking the other homes and nature, surrounded by jasmine, and I see the sunrise and I feel really grateful. Well, that's all I've got for the tour. Thank you so much for stopping by.
If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more content, subscribe to Open House TV.